Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable data saver on the Poco C75. Now to do that, just open the security app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on data usage. Now from here, just tap on manage network connection. Now from here, you can find the apps which are using your mobile data. Now from here, just tap on the app which is using the most data, just like that. Now from here, scroll down and make sure you disable background data. Now from here, tap on OK. Now when you disable this option, the apps cannot use your mobile data in the background. Now once you disable this option from this app, you can go back and disable the background data option from other apps, just like that. And this is how you can enable data saver on the Poco C75. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.